Okay, let's get you started on double pointed needles. I like to use the knitted cast on because then you don't have to worry about running out of yarn. You just start with a slip knot and one double pointed needle. So we can do this. With the slip knot, you've got one stitch already done. And then the knitted cast on, you use the long tail and you knit one stitch and you pull the stitch out a little bit and add it to the left hand needle. It makes like a V, but you don't have to worry about that. You're gonna go between the V into the stitch closest to the edge of the needle, knit another stitch, and instead of pulling anything off, we're adding the stitch to the left hand needle. So now we've got like a new V, right? So stitch 1, stitch 2, stitch 3, go into the stitch you just made. And again, this is called the knitted cast on. You might hold your needles a little differently. I tend to be a weird knitter with my left index finger getting involved. However you get those stitches on the needle is absolutely fine. Oops, see I split the stitch there. So I'm just going to pull out, there we go. Good. And then you do that until you have as many stitches as you need for the beginning of the sock pattern. And then we're gonna split them onto 2 different needles.